Akbar, Nadal Shiba is coming out with a new launch. So, what do you feel about this villa community?
Hi, Umar. So first of all, Umar, as you know, in terms of the area, Nadar Shiba Garden is the first ever freehold community in the whole Nadar Shiba. So I totally believe the community will have a huge appreciations in terms of values because the people who are living in Medan or working in Business Bay, DIFC. So if you see the surrounding of Nadar Shiba Gardens, you don't have much options there,
True.
and plus you have a great direct access from Dubai Island Road. And now we heard about the RTA article having the extension on Dubai Island Road, which will reduce the time to Nadar Shiba Gardens community. So they are coming up with the phase 8, and the townhouses, standalone villas from 4 bedroom to 7 bedrooms, which are like 25 to 35% undervalued from its neighborhood communities like District 1 or you say Dubai Hills. And the best part is right now they have opened a huge mall in Nader Shiba with the name of Nader Shiba Mall.
That is going to be the largest mall of Dubai, the one in Medan, or you're that's
Yeah,
some.
that's what we have heard, that it's gonna be the largest mall of Dubai, and it's already operational before the community is up and running. So the community is already under construction as of now. So the whoever enters at this phase when the community is like in the developing stage will definitely gonna make money on when the community is totally ready and operational.
And developer is Miraz. So historically, we have seen that all the Miraz communities have had huge appreciation. Like for example, City Walk has more demand than DIFC and downtown, Bulgari Island, Blue Waters Island. So I'm sure that people who are entering Nadal Shiba Gardens, they will have huge appreciation as well based on the history of developer.
I totally agree. See, whenever you invest in Dubai's market, the first thing you need to look at the reputation of developers.
Absolutely.
So Mirage is something behind like very iconic destination, like as you mentioned, Bulgari Island, Blue Waters, City Walk, and the recent launch DFC, which was the successful launch, sold out. So I totally agree, and plus they always deliver the community which are luxury, and on a long term run they have always people have demand because it's a developer which delivers timely, the best part is. So I think yes, so Mirage is one of the most reputed developers in Dubai market.
So if we talk of the distance from downtown, it takes 15 minutes to reach Nadal Shiba.
15 minutes, yes.
Yes.
15 minutes to downtown, 15 minutes to Dubai airport, and 15 minutes to Business Bay. So all the central hub you have been in 15 minutes.
Yes, so I think this is the only villa community right now which you can enter, which is this close to the city center.
Yes, because if other than this, if you are looking to buy something in villas, then either you have to pay premium on the previous launch villas community like District 1, or you can say the Dubai Hills one, or else if you're looking for something off plan, then you have to go down the distance of 25-30 minutes from downtown, which is like Dubai Land area, like the Acres, Athlon Villa. So that area you will find the villa toward the south side, but that's like 25-30 minutes away from the
Absolutely.
Dubai Mall downtown areas.
So you have any idea how the expected prices are gonna be?
So we don't have the current prices yet out, but what we are expecting it to be somewhere starting from 4.5 million for the 3 bed townhouses.
Okay, and the size is gonna be how much for those townhouses?
Would be roughly around the built up would be around 27-2800 square feet.
Okay.
That's what we are expecting.
And for the standalones?
For the standalone, there are 4 bedroom to 7 bedroom villas where we are expecting the prices to be around more or less 11 million starting price.
And you are saying that if we compare it with right opposite to like the community district,
Yeah.
district 1, you said?
Yeah.
And how are the prices there?
So 4 bedroom, if you say roughly, so I think the current value of the 4 bedroom at District 1 would be around 17 to 18 million dirhams.
Oh, this is a huge
Huge
gap,
gap, yeah.
and still people who will enter Nadal Shiba Garden. So there is a chance that they will make a lot of money in this community.
Yes, and totally the supply in Nadoshima Gardens is like quite limited comparatively to District 1.
Yes.
And this community has the best part is they only have townhouses and villas, whereas District 1
Apartment
comparatively they
and
have
villas.
apartments, townhouses, semi-detached and villas.
Yes.
So this community only have three categories: semi-detached, townhouse, and standalone villas, and quite limited supply.
If we talk about Nazal Shiba as a community, what amenities and what services are we getting inside the community?
So Nader Shiba Garden is one of the most greenest community of Dubai, where you have cycling track, jogging track, kids park, pocket park. You have small water lakes, small water lagoons. So tennis court, basketball court, cycling track, jogging track. These are the basic amenities.
Pretty much everything.
Pretty much everything.
you're-
So the people who are living in, they don't need to step out outside the community to get their daily needs and essentials. So like the mall is operational, you have the mall within the community, you have the schools coming up within the community, you have mosques, so you have everything inside the community what a person and an individual need for their daily needs.
Oh. So we are looking at a much better version of Dubai Hill Estate, you can say, with less supply.
I think so, yes, you can comparatively do that, yes.
Thank you for your time, Akbar. It was very insightful, and I'll see you in next podcast.
Sure, lovely talking to you, Umar. Have a nice day. Thank you.